Have you ever wondered why wood is the most popular material used in creating decorative and furniture pieces? In addition to the fact that there are several wood species available at our disposal, several reasons have enabled wood to dominate the decor world. Wood decor has long been cherished for its natural beauty, warmth, and versatility. Whether used in furniture, wall art, or decorative accents, wood brings a unique charm to any space. Instead of purchasing wooden items from stores, we advise people to make their own furniture and decor pieces. You can start by making mini woodworking projects and gradually move on to larger and more complex ones. The benefits of making small woodworking items are vast and varied. From providing a gateway for beginners to honing skills, fostering creativity, and enhancing daily life, small woodworking projects offer unique advantages that can positively impact individuals and communities alike. Engaging in woodworking not only nurtures personal growth and satisfaction, but also encourages sustainability and connection to nature. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of contemporary wood furniture ideas and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can make to sell for profit or use to transform your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Whether pursuing woodworking as a hobby or a potential business, the joy and fulfillment derived from creating small wooden items can enrich lives in countless ways. So, gather your tools, select your wood, and embark on the rewarding journey of small woodworking projects. Your creativity and skills await. Small woodworking projects can ignite a passion for woodworking that lasts a lifetime. The accessibility of small projects makes woodworking enjoyable for people of all ages. Whether a child crafting a simple birdhouse or an adult creating a decorative item, the satisfaction derived from making something with one's own hands can lead to a lifelong love of the craft. Woodworking is a field that encourages continuous learning. Small projects can introduce new techniques and concepts, keeping the craft fresh and engaging. As woodworkers tackle increasingly complex items, they develop a deeper appreciation for the art. When considering wood decor, understanding the different types of wood and their properties is essential. Here are some popular types of wood used in decor, along with their characteristics. 1. Oak. Oak is a durable hardwood known for its strength and resistance to wear. It has a prominent grain pattern and is often used in furniture and flooring. Oak can be stained in various colors, making it versatile for different design styles. 2. Pine. Pine is a softwood that is light in color and has a distinct, straight grain. It is relatively inexpensive and easy to work with, making it a popular choice for furniture and decor. Pine can take on a rustic charm, especially when left unfinished or stained. 3. Walnut. Walnut is a rich, dark hardwood prized for its beauty and durability. Its deep, warm tones and intricate grain patterns make it a favorite for high-end furniture and cabinetry. Walnut ages beautifully, developing a rich patina over time. 4. Maple. Maple is a hard, durable wood with a fine, consistent grain. Its light color and smooth texture make it an excellent choice for modern furniture and decor. Maple can be stained to achieve different looks, from natural to dark finishes. 5. Cherry. Cherry wood is known for its warm, reddish hue and smooth grain. It is a hardwood that darkens with age, adding character to any piece. Cherry is often used in fine furniture and cabinetry, providing a timeless elegance. 6. Teak. Teak is a tropical hardwood renowned for its natural oils that make it resistant to moisture and decay. It is often used in outdoor furniture and decor, but is also popular for indoor use. Teak has a rich, golden brown color that deepens over time. Wood decor can enhance a variety of design styles, each with its unique approach to incorporating wood elements. Here are some popular styles that beautifully showcase wood decor. 1. Rustic. Rustic design emphasizes natural materials, showcasing the beauty of wood in its raw form. Exposed beams, reclaimed wood furniture, and distressed finishes create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Rustic decor often features earthy colors and natural textures, making wood a central element. 2. Modern. Modern design embraces simplicity and clean lines, often utilizing wood in a minimalist way. Light woods, such as birch or maple, are popular choices for furniture and accents. The focus is on functionality and form, with wood serving as a sleek, contemporary element. 3. Scandinavian. Scandinavian design celebrates natural materials and a connection to nature. Light woods, such as pine and birch, are used extensively in furniture and decor. The style emphasizes functionality, simplicity, and a cozy ambience, often incorporating wooden accents in a soft, neutral palette. 4. Bohemian. Bohemian design is eclectic and colorful, featuring a mix of patterns and textures. Wood decor in this style may include carved wooden furniture, colorful wooden accents, and handmade items. The emphasis is on individuality and creativity, allowing for a playful use of wood. 5. Industrial. Industrial design combines raw materials, including wood and metal, to create a rugged, urban aesthetic. Reclaimed wood is often used for furniture and accents, paired with exposed brick and metal fixtures. The result is a stylish yet functional space that embraces the beauty of imperfection. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary wood furniture ideas and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can make to sell for profit or use to transform your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.